The science behind solar energy, how the sun powers our world. Have you ever wondered how sunlight can turn into electricity that powers your home? Today we're going to explore the science behind solar energy, one of the most powerful and clean energy sources on Earth. Part 1. What is solar energy? Solar energy is energy that comes from the sun. Every day the sun sends huge amounts of energy to the Earth in the form of light and heat. In just 1 hour the sun gives more energy than the whole world uses in a year. Part 2. How solar panels work, the science. Solar panels are made of special materials called semiconductors, usually silicon. When sunlight hits the panel it contains tiny particles called photons. These photons hit the silicon and knock electrons loose. This process is called the photovoltaic effect. The key science behind solar power. The movement of these electrons creates an electric current, which we can use as electricity. Part 3. From sunlight to electricity. Here's a simple flow. Sunlight, solar panel, electricity, DC. Inverter, usable electricity, AC. Solar panels produce DC, direct current. An inverter converts it to AC, alternating current. AC is what we use in homes and businesses. Part 4. Energy storage, optional but important. Solar energy can be stored in batteries. This allows us to use electricity at night or during cloudy days. Without batteries, solar systems only work when the sun is shining. Part 5. Why solar energy is important. Solar energy is clean, no pollution, renewable, never runs out, cost-saving in the long term. It helps reduce dependence on fossil fuels and protects our environment. Part 6. Real-life example. Imagine a home with solar panels on the roof. During the day, it produces electricity from sunlight. At night, it uses stored energy from batteries. This is already happening in many places, and it can work in cities. Finally, solar energy is not just the future. It is the present. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more science and business ideas.